Hi everyone, hi Taurus. Today I will be doing what is the person on your mind, Taurus, thinking about you at the moment, their current energies and feelings towards you. This is for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, as it's a general read, so it may or may not resonate. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's dive right in. Let's see, Taurus, what is the person on your mind thinking and feeling about you right now? So first I'll do what is the person on your mind thinking about you, then I'll see um, what their next action towards you would be, and then how are you feeling about them, or what are your energies towards them, Taurus. So the person on your mind, Taurus, is somebody who brings in a lot of balance in your life. Who is this person is what we're going to check first, Taurus. This person is somebody who is very independent in their thoughts, in their minds. They have been doing very well in their lives already. They have faced a lot of pain and turbulences in their lives, but they have emerged victorious, and that is why they are a little guarded towards any sort of relationship coming in for them. In fact, when they were in a relationship with you as well, Taurus, or if you guys are still in a relationship with them, because I see there's a break or a bit of a glitch happening right now. When you guys were going strong, they were still very guarded towards you, Taurus, because they felt that things can go wrong at any time, because that is how they have experienced love or relationships in their lives. So they are a bit scared of being hurt, and they're a bit scared of being abandoned, left out in the cold. They are definitely very scared to be hurt, so they're always very defensive towards you. This is a person who still wants a long term with you, and you also felt that there could be a long term relationship that can grow out of it. So this person is also somebody who is very loving and has been very tender towards you at times, and at times quite harsh. Okay, so they have a bit of a contradictory energies towards you, Taurus, but I do feel that this person could be um, of I'm so sorry, of a water sign category, because they are showing up as the Queen of Cups in your energy, Taurus, which means they could be a Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, or it can be in the chart somewhere. It can be any sign, of course. We cannot we cannot say that it has to be that energy itself, but this person is embodying this energy towards you. They really are in love with you. They have a lot of love and compassion towards you, Taurus. They also have a lot of passion towards you. There is a lot of physical chemistry between you both, and they do miss that connection with you always, Taurus. They keep on thinking about you, but they're very stressed that you guys are going to move on, and you will have somebody else in their place, and that is something they really dread, Taurus, because they really have a lot of compassion and love, and they definitely see you are their wish fulfillment, Taurus. They've never met anybody like you before, and they think that you are the perfect person. Okay, you make them really happy, and the kind of stability and grounded and solid feeling that they got with you specifically, Taurus, they never found it with anybody else. So they feel that you are the one for them, and it is getting very difficult for them to get over you. They are really struggling with it. They are wanting some breakthrough in the situation where they feel that they want to get over you, but it seems like they are unable to, and they keep on coming back to you constantly, Taurus. So I do see that they are healing right now because they are in pain because of the separation, or the distance between you guys. They are healing, they are trying to stay strong in the situation, they're waiting for things to happen. They are a bit blocked, but they do feel that things are going to come together. You will see who they are, what they are, and you definitely will. They are pretty sure that you will take the decision to come back towards them, and they are waiting for this to happen. Though there is a bit of a fear that things may just completely fall apart, and you guys may cut them off out of your lives. So that fear is there. Nevertheless, Taurus, they are waiting to reunite with you guys. They want this happiness, they want this reassurance from you that you are with them, okay, and that you feel the same connection that they feel with you, and they really do want to celebrate their lives, their time, the beautiful moments they've had earlier, also the past with you. They want to relive it with you again. Now let's see what are your feelings towards them, Taurus, and then we'll see what could be their possible next action towards you. And I'm sorry, Chloe, my tarot assistant, my doggo, she is wanting a bit of my attention as well. So, okay. Let's see. What are your feelings towards them, Taurus? Wow. Taurus, you do see that they are your soulmates. That's how you feel, Taurus. You see them as Empress. Okay. These three cards, Taurus, says it all. So this is the Two of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Empress. This is how you see them, Taurus, which means that you definitely see them as your divine counterpart, as the perfect ideal partner, ideal match for you, and you see them as somebody who you could get married to, or you could spend a lifetime with. You do see long term with them. They are wife husband material, and you do feel such strong bond and connection with them. It's not even funny. It's only that they have disappointed you in the past. I'm sorry, they've disappointed you in the past, and that is the reason you are unable to really come forward, because you feel that the same thing will be repeated again. It's a pattern that's been going on for a while. It's a cycle. It's been going on for a while, and you really don't want to get back to it because you feel it's a very toxic loop that you were stuck in. So what you are doing right now is, in your personal life, you are trying to be strong and see how you can move forward in a new energy. You want to have a new start, which is not connected to them. It's separate from them. You want to have a new start, Taurus, but your thoughts keep going back to them because it seems like you are a bit obsessed with them, Taurus, in some form or fashion. Okay, so even though you are constantly trying to move forward, you really do want to, and you really want to leave that behind, but you're still unable to because you are somewhere stuck. You're really hung up on them, Taurus, which I understand, and you really want them to come back in new energies so that you can accept them and probably form something long term with them. You really want that they come back correct. That is the word. They've come back correct in good energies and offer you something which is way more solid, way more sane, way more practical, way more loving, not toxic, and then you would love to go ahead with it, because there is a side to them which you really love, which you can't get over, Taurus, and you really want something with them, Taurus. I mean, there is no denying this. I mean, it's not even funny how the cards are coming up. You do want them, Taurus. You're just stopping yourself because of the past pain that they've caused you. Anywho, let's see what would be their probable next action towards you. Okay. Okay, Taurus. There will be communication coming through. The no contact, no communication will be broken, and this person is going to move forward, come forward towards you, because they also see you as their counterpart, divine. Okay, and they also see. Okay, they also see you as someone with who they can have this happy ending. Taurus, you make them really happy. It's they are also stuck in their heads because of their past experiences. They have not been very pleasant for them as well, Taurus. So they are scared, but they really are coming into new energies, and they are wanting to come forward. They are extremely attracted to you. They cannot think of anybody but you right now. In case there is a 10% chance that they don't come in because they feel scared that you are going to reject them, that is the only reason they may not come, because their ego would probably stop them from coming towards you, because they feel that you may hurt them, may reject them, and because of that they will need to go through another cycle of pain, and they're not ready to go through it again. So they are in healing right now, Taurus. They're missing you a lot. A strong missing feeling where they feel that you've completely cut them off, and they really are hoping that you would reach out and show them some love, some signs, or give them a sign that you're still interested, and they will reach out. So that's how they're feeling right now. They see you very distant right now, healing and trying to move on in your life, enjoying your life, but they definitely want to come forward and tell you, communicate a lot of things which they have been feeling for the last couple of weeks, months, okay, without you. How they've been feeling, they want to express that to you, and they want to work on it right now, the relationship. They feel that if they come forward, there could be a conflict, a disagreement, or a fight, and that is the reason they are not coming forward yet. They're stopping themselves, they're controlling themselves, but there are very high chances that in spite of that, they won't be able to stop themselves and they come forward. So let's see what could be the possible outcome between you guys. Taurus, you and your person. Okay, I do see that there could be some sort of communication that happens there, but you, Taurus, you guys would still be very cold and distant towards them, because you guys are very stubborn. So when you make up your mind, you are not ready to give into it at all. So that is what they fear too. So that is the reason they're taking their time as well. But I do see that they still will come towards you with some sort of an offer, but you will be very cold towards them. But this communication is going to make you happy. It will take a lot out of you to say no to them or be cold towards them, but you are going to be, though you will feel, you would feel, Taurus, that you want to move forward, move towards them and bring in a balance in this situation. But I do see that because you've been hurt so much in the past, you would be scared and you will stop yourself. But this person, it does not seem like this person is going to hold back. They will try their best. So let's see what comes in for you guys next in the next video, Taurus. If you liked this video, please give me a like, please comment, please share and subscribe. And thank you so much. God bless you all. See you next time.